lightning and heavy rain are possible with this storm. At midnight at O'Hare Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 1:30 a.m. At 12:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Villa, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was near Waukegan, also moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Round Lake Beach, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Antioch, Waconda, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Island Lake, Lindenhurst, Beach Park, Gages Lake and Long Grove. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 17. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 17. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Large hail and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA's weather radar. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 a.m. At 1:22 a.m., two severe thunderstorms were located over Central Lake County. One was 3 miles west of Grace Lake, and the other near Mundelein. Both were moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Lindenhurst, Beach Park, Gages Lake and Glencoe. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 6 and 26. Interstate 294 between mile markers 6 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for Central Lake County. At 1:15 a.m., two severe thunderstorms were located in western Lake County. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Romeoville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lockport and Crest Hill around 5:55 a.m. Homer Glen and Lamont around 6 a.m. Bengals Park around 6:05 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Orland Park, New Lenox, Mokina, Frankfurt, Frankfurt Square, and Manhattan. This includes University of St. Francis, Chicagoland Speedway. interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 256 and 269. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 148. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 11 and near mile marker 13. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 a.m. At 6:04 a.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Manhattan, or near New Lenox, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing brief tornadoes. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Peotone around 6:20 a.m. This includes Will County Fairgrounds, including the following interstate. Interstate 57 between mile markers 325 and 332. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:45 a.m. At 6:17 a.m., numerous thunderstorms were located over southern Lake Michigan. These were moving east at 45 knots. There are also gusty winds over the southern part of the lake due to outflows from earlier thunderstorms. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, Burnham Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible, away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:15 a.m. At 6:20 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Portage to near Beecher to 6 miles south of Lakewood Shores, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Manteno, Interstate 57 between mile markers 303 and 324. Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 15. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Indiana Motor Speedway, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, Kankakee River State Park, Lake County Fairgrounds, Olivet Nazarene University, and South Shore Railcat Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. What? Flooding call. Severe thunderstorm watch number 487 remains in effect until 10 a.m. and now includes the following: Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 487. Warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 10 a.m. At 9:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hinckley, or 9 miles southeast of DeKalb, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, DeKalb, Oswego, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Cortland, Hinckley, Waterman, Maple Park, Big Rock, Gainesville, Bristol, and Little Rock. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 94 and 120. This includes Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 7:10 a.m. Local law enforcement reported ongoing flash flooding, some significant due to heavy rain that has occurred late Friday night into early this morning in Lake County. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen, with additional isolated thunderstorms possible through this morning. The flash flooding includes along portions of the United States. Highway 41, Illinois Highway 137, and Illinois 176. It also includes in the vicinity of Lake Bluff. Hazard, significant flash flooding. Source, law enforcement. Impact, rapid onset, significant flooding of creeks, drainage ditches, and urban areas. Possible flooding of structures. Widespread roadway flooding. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waukegan, Lake Bluff, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Beach Park, Gages Lake, Hawthorne Woods, Park City, Round Lake Park, Highwood, Green Oaks, and Rockwood. This includes the Skokie River, Bull Creek, and immediate tributaries to the Des Plaines River. Motorists traveling this morning should use extreme caution in this area and consider delaying travel plans until after 11 a.m. Expect flooding of creeks, ditches, canals, and storm sewers, as well as roadways, other passes, and other forward drainage areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flooded deaths occur in vehicles. This is North Weather Radio KBB 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather long-term for Lake, DuPage, Will, James, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is North Weather Radio, KBB 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather long-term for Lake, DuPage, Will, James, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 9:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern King County in northeastern Illinois until 10 a.m. At 9:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hinkley, or 9 miles southeast of DeKalb, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, storm damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, DeKalb, Oswego, Octavia, Geneva, Northville. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:45 a.m. At 10:10 a.m., surface observations indicated wind gusts to 40 knots are occurring in the wake of earlier thunderstorms with little to no rainfall. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, buoy. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Belmont Harbor, and Marina Shores at Dune Harbor. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:22 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sugar Grove, or near Aurora, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Woodridge, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burr Ridge, Oakbrook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Warrenville, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, and Willow Springs. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 268 and 276. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 134. Interstate 355 between mile markers 12 and 22. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Morton Arboretum, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is... Additional minor flooding is possible along these rivers. Has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 493, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago, and the following: Lake Michigan, Sheboygan, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore, Michigan, Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Port Washington to North Point, miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light, nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Green Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, to mid-lake, Winthrop Harbor to and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Inlet Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in while severe weather may not be imminent, listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.